I request each and everyone here to please laugh loudly for a while. Willingly, not forcefully. Yeah. Good morning to one and all. This is Asif Hussain. We all know about two silent killer diseases which are railing at the threat of two silent killer diseases. They are also called as twins. Can anyone guess them? Diabetes and hypertension. These are the two silent killer diseases nowadays, right? Surprisingly, AIDS has gone to third place in the world. But now I am going to say something about the most silent and invisible killer disease, that is stress. It is a proxy killer disease, which is the mother of all other 64 diseases, according to the researchers conducted across over the world. See, fighting with this silent and invisible killer disease kills each organ of our body without being unnoticed. Having said this, and finally, we need some sort of stress for our success in better life. Without stress, we can't take our life lightly. There are various people who took stress deeply and committed suicide. Nowadays, youth are mainly committing suicide because they cannot tolerate the stress. Stress, if it is a motivating factor in a human being, it is called as eustress. And if it causes the conflict between, we call it as distress, which actually called as stress nowadays. Let me take an example of students. First of all, students, they will be having lot of stress mainly at the time of examinations. Yes, sir. We all are students, obviously. See, we will be coming to the classes, or we will be coming to the classes or labs in a normal time happily. But when the time of exam comes, we will be in a stress, hurry and panic. Already we will be having some stress in our mind that we need to learn some few answers. Few answers are left, few questions are left. And we may think that some questions, what questions are going to come in. So that is one, first primarily. Secondly, we should be there few minutes earlier near our examination centers. That is also one type of stress. Mental stress, totally mental stress. So, earlier days, we used to watch movies for enjoyment and relaxation. We used to feel relaxed at the time when we go and sit in the movies earlier days. But now, after every scene, there is suspense. After every scene, there is suspense. Eagerly getting what is the hero going to do next. If villain thinks hero, stress. Totally. So there are various people who are taking mental stress. Where you need to stress, you are not taking them. Unnecessary things you are taking stress there. And there are newly, and recently I got an information, in foreign countries, separate laughing clubs are opened to reveal the stress. Is that so necessary? No, really, is that so necessary? Can't we laugh loudly? Can't we reveal our stress? We feel stress in X area and we reveal the stress with our family and children. No, it is going right. It is going nowadays. So, main stress will be for the employees in an organization. The employees, they need to hear the words of higher authorities and will be having a lot of stress. As soon as they come home, if someone says something, reveal the stress. No, you are revealing stress with these things. And there are few reasons why think once, put your hand on the heart and think, why should I take stress? Can't I live my life happily? Why should you take stress? Unnecessarily, why should you take stress and lead to few other diseases? Already having diabetes and hypertension. Again, stress and hypertension. Totally mental stress. So there are professional stress, personal stress, social stress, physical stress, mental stress, study stress, everywhere stress from our alarm clock to bedtime will be stress by itself. Because our life is becoming such a way. We are leading our life in such a way. Modern technology, sir. No, recently I spoke with one boy who was crying a lot and he decided, he WhatsApped me and he decided that he wanted to commit suicide somewhere. He is of 22 years old. I said, what girlfriend left me. For what you don't get stressed, go for a brisk walk. See, going for a brisk walk early in the morning by observing the greenery reduces your blood pressure. This is true, reduces your blood pressure. And connect with your friends, talk to your friends, have a cup of tea with them. It can reduce your stress. Do meditation, yoga, this also reduces your stress. But you want bike, you want car. No brisk walking nowadays. No brisk walking nowadays. If you want to walk, cycle, or else scooter, anything. All electronic. We have made our life in an electronic way. Or if you have more stress that you cannot control it, imagine a beautiful girl in an automatically stress levels. No, that is true. And recently a game that was launched, Pokemon. I think everyone was there. For that Pokemon game, you need not to sit one place and play. You need to walk. Until or unless you walk, the game doesn't run. So recently, a Pokemon fanatist, he stopped at traffic in peak hours because he found a Pikachu itself. And few met with an accident. So these are the reasons where, stress, everything. If you see, as soon as you wake up, something you have stress, you need to go to office or something. So being in a stressful life leaves you, it doesn't show any effect now. As it is a serial killer disease, it shows you the effect later after 40 years. And some sort of stress should be there, but not in a huge way. So that we can lead to another disease. No, but we have to be some stress for successful and better life, as I said already. And certain laughing therapies and music therapies are there for to relieve some stress. And common sense is the best antibiotic for such. For stress, common sense is the best antibiotic. And a pinch of stress motivated to me to come to this far. Thank you for giving this wonderful.